Yeah, hello, it's Roy from Tesla Owners US, and today it's heavy traffic, or let me say rush hour, but this time outbound. And outbound could be even more busier. Let's see how the system does.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future.
All right, exiting the park house now, and let's see. Actually, someone said when I can swipe this over, no, swipe it all the way over this way, then you can still see the full
now
visualization.
Turn right onto East Van Buren Street.
Okay. Okay, let the system turn right. Okay, and turn right again. Oh, there's some construction sign there. Let's see how that works. It creeps forward. Can do that there. There's some pedestrian walking. I was watching the pedestrians. Yeah. Cannot go yet there. We have a green light, but pedestrians still walking. Okay, now it's good. All right, did it. Too much sun. Okay, it wants to go to 7th Avenue, which I don't want to take. I want to take actually 7th Street. No, 5th Avenue. No, 3rd Avenue. 3rd Avenue is the on-ramp for the HOV lane, and that's much better. But first I have to go west first. Yep. Quite good construction. There's a pedestrian here. He's not watching. Okay, car is watching. That helps. So then I have to go here in between. Yeah, that did it. This is 1st Avenue. I need to take 3rd Avenue. There's construction on the left side and right side. So I have to take 3rd Avenue, and then I have to interrupt it. System does not recognize the 3rd Avenue on-ramp for I-10 interstate. So yeah, I have to drive this manually. It wants me to take Roosevelt there, where I have to override them as well. So there's a stop sign. Let's see if it sees the stop sign. Yeah, it does see the stop sign. There's a pedestrian and a crosswalk to the right. Okay, I'm coming to the complete stop. I stopped. I can go. Oh, it went quickly. There was a car just in front of me. Okay. What's the next one? That's 25 going 31. Okay, there's a green traffic light far in front. There, I have the right of the way here.
Turn left onto West Roosevelt Street.
And I don't want to turn left. The system does want to. I have to override it. Yeah.
Now turn left onto West Roosevelt Street.
Which I don't do. Okay. I don't do that. And he wants me to. I have to brake him. Okay. System does not recognize 3rd Avenue on-ramp to HOV lane going westbound. Out. That's a big visualization. Yeah, there are 2 pedestrians on the right side. That's correct. Here traffic going this direction. That's all correct. He is stopping. Yeah, I don't know if they probably can come my direction, but I have to keep the way for the right side available. Yeah, I'm here.
Now turn
Pretty
left
far.
onto West Roosevelt
Okay,
Street.
I can go. No, I don't. So then I'm going straight here, and then let's try to find out if it's now.
Now turn left onto West
knowing.
Brooklyn Street.
No, it doesn't. I don't do that. Okay, I override it. System does not recognize 3rd Avenue on-ramp. So I don't do that either. So I'm doing this. No, this is the on-ramp. Missed the on-ramp. Okay, now I can go. Yeah. Okay, recognize the traffic light. Yeah, let's see how much data the system take away from me when overnight, and keeping my network busy, because what I noticed is that in the night probably the car is sending a lot of data to it and keeping my upload busy, and then I cannot upload the movies. So it's basically taking my bandwidth from the system. Yeah. Okay. So far it looks good. Coming on the on-ramp, and there I have to merge into the lane here. Let's see how the system does it. This is heavy traffic. Let's see. So merging just in front of the muscle car. Yes. And then why is it stopping? I don't know. I have to push it. Otherwise the muscle car guy gets angry at me. Okay. Now it's difficult to see. It's going outbound again, and the sun is right in our face. So I have the sun visor down on that side.
Stay on Interstate 10 West.
And I have to stay on Interstate 10 West. So why the car was stopping or braking? It's basically almost a brake check for the muscle car behind me. That is very strange. So let's find out how it is doing. Yeah, this is outbound against the glare of the sun, same way as in the morning. In the morning we are right straight looking at the sun, and it's difficult to recognize the lanes now because of right going to the sun, towards the sun. It was same in the morning. In the morning I'm going towards the sun in rush hour, inbound from west to east. Now I'm going from central to basically from the city from east outbound west. So far it does it right. Can I move that over? Yes. I just want to say when are we arriving? We are arriving 18:07. Okay, so that's a good time. 26 minutes. Okay. Maybe I can add a car wash into it. Let me try. Yeah. Oh, now it's heavy braking. Yeah. Add cobblestone car wash waypoint. cobblestone car wash. I have to go further. Okay, let's do it. At cobblestone car wash at 14170 Indian School Road. Doesn't find that. 8 cobblestone car wash in Goodyear. That's the one. And adding. So that comes first. Yeah. So it adds the car wash and then drives home. So we're gonna go to the car wash first there and then home. Okay, and the heavy traffic, we're driving on an HOV lane. Okay, let's move that over. Full screen. So 4 miles to the exit and coming to a complete standstill. It saw the brake lights of the Tesla in front of me. There's another Model Y. It saw those brake lights. Yeah. And I don't know how it should. Is it he or she or an it, right? Who's driving? An AI system. Yeah. Okay, it wants to come over to get over to the right lane. That's at least a good approach. It wants to move. I don't do anything. Now it took the blinker and wants to move in. But the traffic is too dense. So that's interesting. So it took the blinker on 3 miles before which is good, right? But now it needs to find a gap to get in. Changing lanes to follow route. So why don't you get over? Now it stopped blinking again. So why are those cars blue? Please someone tell me. There's a question for users as well. So it does the blinker, but it doesn't go over. Okay. If it comes closer, yeah. Can't go to the right. It just, I give it another 0.4 miles. You can't go over the right lane. You can't go over here. Okay. Good. What was happening? Yeah. Put it on again. And then let the system decide what to do. So it could not make it over to the right lane because it was a double lane or a single or a double lane. As you can see here, it cannot go over that lane. It knew that it had to do a lane change, but it didn't do the lane change. So I was driving up from the HOV lane. So if you drive regular lanes, you probably can drive the car, but if you drive on the HOV lane, which is an advantage and a safety, that it doesn't go over. So now it tries to go to the right here and it merges in. Well, okay, that did it. And it's driving pretty close. Yeah. Okay, that HOV lane, oh, you guys can forget about it. It doesn't do that. Yeah. It tries. Now it should go someday over to the more to the right. And it looks like it doesn't do it. It really looks like now it tries. It can't. Now it tries to the right lane. It doesn't let me in. She didn't let me in. I tried to move over, but nobody lets me in. Okay. Do I have to make a lane change here? So I try again. 1 mile to the exit.
In 1 mile, take exit 128 on the right onto Litchfield Road.
Okay, I got in. Yup. Okay, another lane change and then to the exit lane. There's a girl here next to me and she is on the phone. She's probably not watching. Okay, we're gonna pass this car first. The van. I got to move over here. Now there's the car towing. No, it was just driving that closely. So we gotta go 2 more lanes over. One to the far right lane and then 1 more over to the exit lane. Let's see. Come on. I missed that exit before, guys. I missed that exit before. Did it become more clever? Okay, that car let me in. That's good. The chance that I get this exit this time will be good. If not, it's probably rerouting it and takes the next exit. Right? I maybe should make a sign here in the back of my car. Autopilot supervised, or full self-driving supervised. Please be patient, or something like that, right? Okay, that car merged. This car forced itself in. So now I have to go to the right lane here. Come on, you can go over now. Come, you have to go to the right. You have to go to the right. You need to take the exit. Go. It's free now. Why don't you go? I go. That was dumb. I had to override, otherwise I would have missed the exit again. Okay, I took the exit. Can't wait long. Can't wait to the last possible moment. Yeah.
Now take exit 128 on the right.
That would be too late. Okay, going to the car wash now. Let's see if it's taking the
feet, turn right onto North Litchfield Road.
It goes all the way to the right lane.
Now turn right onto North
The sign is green.
Road.
I could go here. There's nothing in the way. It does a turn. Okay. Staying all the way on the right side. Yeah. That's a complete visualization, and that's good to stay on this side because this is where I have to turn right after a while. That's also a quick lane, quicker than the other ones. Americans like to drive on the left side or in the middle, and this guy said, autopilot says, okay, right lane is the fastest, let me go this one. It drives 5 miles over, going with the flow. Yeah, that's a max. Oh, lights turns yellow and now red, and it starts stopping. Another car just merges in front of me. Okay. Yeah, that's a point there is whereby in California you need an interrupted line to make it an interrupted line to make it on the HOV and off the HOV, whereby in Arizona there's an uninterrupted line and you can run over it, you can drive over it, or you're supposed to drive over it, right? So the state by state there is a discrepancy about what are the rules in each state, and they have different rules in each state. So driving depending from the GPS position, the system would be able to figure out, oh, I could drive over this lane, or I'm California now, I cannot drive over this lane, right? But do you program that, or is the system programming it, right? Or is the system figuring it out for themselves, kind of like, well, those guys going over this lane here in Arizona, I probably can, and in California, I
1,000
cannot,
feet, turn right.
right? That's the question. It would be interesting. Or there's another possibility. Many people going over that lane. Not everybody goes over that lane. Yeah, and that's correct.
Now turn right.
Here's the car wash. Yep. And sharp turn to the car wash. And then go straight off. And we are at the car wash. And you don't need to see the car wash. I'm gonna stop the movie and pick it up after car wash. Okay, so done with the car wash. Now we are in the car wash parking spot, and we should turn out right. So it could continue the trip. How to steer not available. It's confused. Okay, can't get out of here. So I gotta drive manually, and let's see how far I can get up here. So why do I go to the car wash? I don't want to hear the excuses that, yeah, the cameras were dimmed and were not functioning because it was dirty or anything like that. So that's why keep the vision for your cameras available, right? Okay, let me try that now. Yep, so there's a car coming in front of me. Vision for the camera, keep that straight. So turn a little bit.
Now turn right onto West Indian School Road.
Yes. Now we're gonna turn right on West Indian School Road. Looking directly in the sun. Cars coming from the left side, and can't make it yet. So it creeps a little forward, and then it goes for it. Yep. Okay, that was available. Now this lane is merging, and the view is available again. Very clear view. It was clean before, but I need to be awesome clean. So there's no excuse, what I hear from Tesla, that the car couldn't do it because the cameras were obstructed because of dirt or something. So it needs to turn right here.
Now
yeah,
turn
it
right onto
merges
North
in the
137th Avenue.
interrupted section, and turn right here. Now there's a tricky thing, but I don't think there's school zone here. There is 30 here. And then after that, there is a sign. When it's blinking, then you have to reduce to 20 because there are school ongoing. So this one, that's not blinking yet, or not blinking, but that would be a good idea to figure that out. Was there a person walking? Yep. That would be a good idea to figure that out. If the car, because of that sign 20, it didn't recognize the 20, the 20 was blinking, then if it reduces
in 500 feet, turn left onto West Thomas Road.
Okay, now we turn left on West Thomas Road. Turns a little bit early.
Now turn left onto
Try to
West
turn
Thomas
early.
Road.
Now it turns. Okay, now looking to the right, looking in the sun again. Stopping at the stop sign, then creep forward. Yeah. That was a very fast Mercedes. Yes, and it goes for it. Yep. Okay. Then merge over to the right lane, possible as well.
In 500 feet, turn right onto North 135th Avenue.
And 35th Avenue. Now you can see opposite
now
traffic
turn
here.
Right onto North 135th
And there's a car
Avenue.
crossing in front of me. Basically, he cut in front of me. Car was just reducing speed. Then going to the left
In
lane.
500 feet, turn left onto
Yeah.
West Palm Valley Boulevard.
Yeah, we make it. Now what's interesting now this time is, does it recognize
Now
my
turn
house
left onto
address,
West Palm Valley
and
Boulevard.
does it drive me in my driveway? Yeah, that's a question. So yeah, that goes for this, and yeah, it does it. All right, speed limit 30, drives
In 500
36.
feet, turn left
I'm
onto
gonna turn
North
left in here.
133rd Drive.
Yeah,
Now turn left onto North 133rd Drive.
okay, let's see if it finds my address. It looking into, there's a car on that side. No harm, no foul. Yeah. And it is going homewards. Yes, it does it. It did it. Home is on the left. Let's
Now
see.
your destination is on
Are
the
you
left.
going on my driveway? Yes, no, yes, no. It stops here. Autopilot navigation is complete. Press the accelerator to... Yeah, no, this time it didn't want to go on my driveway. It just stopped at the intersection here where you are not permitted to park actually. Okay, good. Then we gotta do it for ourselves. That was it. Okay guys, we did it. Thumbs up. It did it okay with the exception of the HOV lane and the merging also. I had to force it to merge a little bit earlier. And yeah, I didn't find my home address correctly. Sometimes, you know, I never figured it out. Sometimes it drives on the driveway, sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes it tries to drive on my neighbor's driveway or one further. I can figure it out. Maybe I can teach it too. Okay, that was it for today. Thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. More to come, more interesting things.